Processions is marking 100 years of women's suffrage. The idea is that we're going to be bringing together tens of thousands of women from all over the UK, from Scotland, England, Wales and Northern Ireland, to come together in the political capitals of those countries to celebrate 100 years of women's suffrage. I'm Fenella and my job is associate producer on Processions. The banners are a way really to express on the outside what we feel on the inside. Processions isn't a protest or a demonstration, it's an artwork. They're invited to make their own banners as well, to sort of say what they want to say about what it is to be a woman in the 21st century today. Really excited to be here today with Clean Break, who are making a really fantastic banner that will be one of 100 banners that have been commissioned from across the UK to be part of the Processions.
I'm Mirian Nabarro, I'm a visual and community artist. I'm working with Clean Break Theatre Company to make a banner for Processions 2018, and we work with women with lived experience of the criminal justice system, and we're making a beautiful banner. So what's noteworthy about celebrating, commemorating the achievements of the suffragettes is, really just that this kind of spirit lives on and there's still so much to fight for. There are still so many people that don't have the vote for reasons of security and safety, can't be on electoral registers and therefore can't have their voice heard. What we're doing by commemorating this 100-year moment is recreating the sea of banners that went through London on the 13th of June 1918, and this sense that you can kind of fight back.
Yes, this encouragement is something different. Being on the streets or being with people that don't want the best for you and come to a different environment, different surrounding, different scenery, it makes you change your mind, and knowing that you could do a lot more than just being a stereotype or a statistic. So hopefully through the processions we'll give more women out there chances to have that voice.
I'm hoping that the women and the members of Clean Break that we're working with will feel empowered, will feel that their voices are being heard, will learn new skills, will enjoy the process of making and craft making in particular, working together collaboratively.
Crafting's been really, there's such a lovely feeling because this is the first time that I've been able to work with the younger girls. I won't be here in 50 years' time, because I'm really, really old. But the young girls will, and there's still, hopefully, our work will be preserved and they'll be able to see back on it. Yeah, fantastic.
I'm doing this for other young women, so although I'm having a really hard time doing this, I feel like I need to. So even if it's one young person that I inspire, I just want to inspire and encourage young people to step up, open their mouth, and I just want them to be heard, because I don't feel like young people are heard. Everybody's vote adds up in the end, and that's what's going to make a change.
We've got banners from all corners of the UK. We've got banners way up in Taigh and North Uist, for example. So we've got a lovely, lovely mix and wealth of banners being made across the UK, and we're really excited that Clean Break is one of those being made.
We're all doing the same banner, but there is so many different ideas. And it's that support, that camaraderie that I really love it in this group.
All they had was cloth, materials that they had around them to make their voices heard.
I just feel if we could do this march, we could get one message across to one woman, that would be the job done,
So I think what's going to be really exciting is on the 10th of June, all of these different groups coming together on the day in these cities and realising that they're part of a much bigger story and part of a much bigger movement of unity of women on this anniversary. The invitation is really out to all women, those who identify as women and non-binary individuals. And we want everyone to feel like they can come on the day and be part of this big celebration. So you don't need to join an organisation or be part of a banner making group to be there on the day. You can just come along and register and let us know that you're coming at www.processions.co.uk. But otherwise, if you would like to get crafty and make a banner, you can make either a whole banner yourself or you could make a little pennant or flag, and we've got toolkits to tell you how to do that.
The beautiful designs and our ideas are there on the banner. It's going to be brilliant. It's going to be amazing.
It's going to be so empowering, like the energy that's going to be there, it's just going to be amazing. I can't wait.
Life is what you make it, so I can't wait to join the march on June the 10th.